On, y'all, we're back. It's been a couple weeks since we last shot. It's been a crazy 2 weeks actually, but we're here and we made it. Had to get out of the house, so we're here at Mount Woodson at Potato Chip Rock. It's about 45 minutes outside of San Diego, northeast of it. So we made it. The hike's about 8 miles. Elevation's about 2,000 feet up, so about to get it in.
I only got my eyes on you. The sun and moon shines on you. I wanna wrap my arms around you. Oh, my heart is falling hard for you. It's amazing how this beautiful thing that some of us call this here love gotta go through all the trials and tribulations. Test your patience to see how far your love's evolved. I know that at times you're feeling so beat, it takes a toll. It takes a toll on you. If you believe the same thing that I believe in, the love will hold you through. I only got my eyes on you. The sun and moon shines on you. I wanna wrap my arms around you. Oh, my heart is falling hard for you.
Now let's make one thing clear. You and my son the only reason I'm here. Cause patiently you've been dealing with me, and I gotta thank the Lord that you're here. It ain't picture perfect, but we got a bird's eye view. At the top and next to me is where I see you. Close my eyes, I see my son. Open my eyes, I see the one. And again, I thank the Lord that it's true. Cause it's you. Cause it's you. Cause it's you. Cause it's you.
The sun and moon shines on you. I wanna wrap my arms around you. Yeah, my heart is falling hard for you. Yeah. Now every time I close my eyes, all I dream about is you. And even when my eyes are open wide, girl, you know that I'm enjoying my view. Said now there would be no flowers on the ground if it didn't rain. Said I don't even wanna make a sound. So baby, when I say your name, eyes on you. The sun and moon shines on you. I wanna wrap my arms around you. Oh, my heart is falling hard.
What's going on, y'all? We made it to the top of Mount Woodson, aka Potato Chip Rock. The hike was amazing, great views. Obviously there's a little fog coming in, so we're gonna roll out. But the hike lasted us about 2 hours. We started around 7 o'clock in the morning, and it's about 9 o'clock right now. It's 4 miles up. We got another 4 miles going back down, so we're gonna head out. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video.
For you.